I told you to be set up. Why aren't you ready?
Oh, yeah, sorry, I was just,
Are you at least tuned?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah?
Okay, give me the chord. Okay. Alright, 1 second. Look, you've got band practice tomorrow, I just want to get this done, alright?
Fine.
Alright, I'm gonna lead you in, okay? Alright.
Weather is so temperamental, like I don't understand what you're talking about. Because it's nice and it's cold, you know. I love the sun. Anyway, my mum just decided to move to Melbourne to get a fresh start without even asking me first, which is why I suppose you decided to ditch all of us and go back to Queensland to study.
Hang on, listen to me. University is where I wanna be. Hang on, just hold on 1 sec. Home for me is up with friends and family. You see, please listen to me. University's my chance to be free. I can't stay where I am. I must go where it will take me. One way ticket, gotta leave the city. Leaving home's the best way.
Hello? This is Eliza, yes? Okay, I understand. Thank you.
Who was it?
The university. I didn't get the scholarship.
What, even with the application?
They're putting me on the wait list until someone drops out.
You know, any university would take you over that one.
Yeah, well, I guess not this one. Sorry, I gotta go.
Hey Russell, get off your phone.
Sorry, I was just, recording you so I could listen to it at home.
Alright, fine. Alright, we all good? Yep. Give me a 4 count. I hear them looking in my room, wandering back and forth. Somewhere I can hear whispers in my ear. Footsteps creeping up and down the corridors. Lights flickering, going off and on and on. Have these ghosts come back to haunt me? Or are they just a figment of reality? How many times do I have to tell you to back off? The singer cannot be overshadowed by the guitarist.
Alfie, I think that is how the song goes. He's supposed to have a solo there.
Stay out of this, Cooper. Russell, when you decide to get your head out of the clouds, maybe you'd like to join us in this song too. This is teamwork.
Teamwork my ass. What a nerve coming from you. You strut around like you're Freddie Mercury or something, but you got the singing range of a rat.
At least this rat can stay on tempo.
Can I speak to Russell? Is now a bad time?
You know what? It's perfect. Take him. Take your guitar too. And don't bother coming back.
He thinks he's so musically talented, but he's got none. I mean, we would have been such a better band without a vocalist, but...
I didn't get in.
What do you mean?
Scholarship. I didn't get accepted.
Remind me again why you want it so badly.
Well, it's a lot of money. University's costly, you know, and hard to get into.
I don't buy it. There were so many scholarships here for you, better ones too, and you didn't even apply to any of them. I mean, why did you want this one so badly?
Well, because it's back home. Maybe because after a whole year of stress and pressure of having to move down here, I want to return to something familiar. Some place familiar.
Yeah, well, there's a lot more of us here for you than you'd think.
Yeah? That's what they all say. I don't belong here.
Look, you didn't have to run away. You never had to. This will always be your home. And I'm not gonna argue with you about being homesick, but you have a place here amongst all of us.
I see it now, all the people waiting to see me stumble and fall. I see it now, who was really there for me when I had fallen down. And yet as I look around, I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you.
I see it now, I'm talented in ways that people could not comprehend. I see it now, all that matters in the end is that I'm loud and proud. So I hope when I look around, I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. I see it now. I see it now. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you. I have an idea. I'm gonna go write something down.
Yeah? You go write your masterpiece.
Wait, where are you going now?
Nowhere?
Little bird, don't be afraid now. Here's your chance to take it while you can now. Little bird, don't hesitate now. Somebody will tell you that you can fly, 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 you can fly.
I'll find something else nearby.
Whoa.